What did you say?
I said you're gonna have at least 2 more
No.
on accident.
Oh.
You're putting those in the pancit?
Yeah. We need the pancit, guys. Dito ko bumibili ng pancit. Yeah. Ginagawa niyang tambulo. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Bibili kami ng mga sangkap ngayon. Sangkap talaga, no? Bibili kami ng mga ingredients na kailangan namin gamitin para sa lulutuin namin, no? Kasi may Thanksgiving kaming pupuntahan bukas sa friend namin. And magdadala kami ng... What are you gonna bring, babe?
Banana pudding.
Banana pudding. And I'm gonna bring pancit, guys. Magdadala tayo ng pancit. So, bibili kami ngayon. Maybe punta kami ng Walmart. Oh, they put the fence.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I don't know, may ano. Punta kami ng Walmart and then E-Mart. Yung, ano dito, yung Asian store. Kasi, doon lang ako nakakabili ng, ano, ng pancit bihon at saka ng kanto na ginagamit ko sa pancit, no. Tapos, punta kami ng... Do you wanna go to Walmart or just Food Lion? We'll head to E-Mart first and then Food Lion. That sounds good. Because Walmart is still up there.
Yeah.
So, punta muna pala kami ng E-Mart, guys. Tapos Food Lion kasi malapit lang Food Lion dito sa...
What do you need from E-Mart?
The pancit canton. And we have chicken, right? Like the chicken,
You can use the chicken.
yeah, I'm gonna
season.
use that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use that, babe. Yeah, babe, I'm gonna use that.
Go ahead. You can use it.
Nasa likod si Ellie, guys. And by the way, guys, next week, punta na kami ng Michigan. Magdadrive lang kami kasi kasama namin si Kinsley, guys. Dadali namin itong CRV. So, yung CRV yung lagi namin ginagamit papuntang Michigan kasi it gets good gas mileage. Tapos, a little bigger than the Jeep. Kasi yung Jeep parang medyo, ano yung space niya, babe, right? I think the Jeep is smaller.
Yeah, I think this has more space.
Yes, and then, and also because we have the hook road, what is that thing in there in the Jeep, that's why we can't put the luggage. We're just gonna use one luggage. And by the way, we still have to buy another luggage for my husband because, you know, next...
Mine broke.
Sira na kasi yung ano niya. And para sa ano namin, sa vacation namin sa Philippines, next ano, hindi kami ngayong Pasko at New Year, so next year, guys, early next year, no. So ayun, naghanap kami nung isang araw sa Mynex, kaso sabi niya antayin niya na lang daw mag Black Friday, baka daw mag sale, but it's already Black Friday sale.
Pre Black Friday sales, yeah, and then Black Friday is on this Friday. So nung kahapon binilan ako ni Habi ng mga another gift sa TikTok shop. Tapos I get another gift?
i-wrap ko na lang daw para daw may open ako sa Pasko, no. Should I wrap it?
What?
The gift that you bought me yesterday, and then so we can unbox it this Christmas.
You might as well.
Kasi meron kami every year nag-unbox kami ng ano. And then si Ellie, hindi namin kasi alam. Bumila ko ng laruan ni Ellie. Kaso, i-unbox niyo dun sa sa Michigan kasi meron kaming Christmas party. Sabi nila magdala daw ng ng gift na i-unwrap ng mga bata ng namin, ng mga anak namin, no. So yun na lang siguro yung ko. Tapos hanapan ko na lang siya ulit ng i-unwrap niya sa Pasko. So hindi pa naman niya she will not enjoy it yet unwrapping the gifts, but
she won't know.
Just, when she look back, we have the video. She'll probably like, oh mom, you just wrapped my old toys.
That's what we're gonna do.
That's what we're gonna do, guys. Because she have plenty of toys. And hindi niya pa naman alam Hindi niya ba alam na, di ba?
That'd be funny.
Yeah. And then when she look back in our old videos, oh my gosh, that's gonna be funny. So, ayun guys, we're heading to E-Mart now. And we'll see you later. What did you say?
I said you're gonna have at least 2 more
No.
on accident.
Oh, on accident? On accident, but you're planning it already?
Oops.
Nasa E-Mart na kami guys. Nagbibiro to si Travis. Sabi
Do we just need a basket?
Yeah, just a basket. Ellie. Yeah, alis kami ng next week Tuesday. Punta ng Michigan. Hindi kami mag-grocery kasi 1 week kaming wala sa bahay. Walang kakain ng sa rep. Masisira lang.
Do you need?
Bili tayo nito guys. Ano man tawag dito? What do you call this, babe?
Beans.
Okay, just beans.
Green beans. They're fresh.
Right.
You're putting those in the pancit?
Yeah. Okay, just these. It's enough.
That's
I don't
it?
think. Okay, I'll put more. Cause I'll have carrots. Oh, I need a shredded. Do they have a shredded carrots in the Food Lion?
I
Yung
don't
iba,
know.
hindi maganda yung
Probably.
Kaya kailangan mo talagang piliin. Okay. Should we put more? Wait lang, dagdagan pa natin para madami tayong gulay, no? Magkulay ang buhay. So, okay, that's good, babe. Pretty girl daw si Ellie. Napa-stop si Ellie. Kumausap kay Ellie. What?
Oh, it's over there.
Okay, we need
Might
the
be
garlic.
cheaper just to get it.
Oh yeah, because it's $2. Let's go there. May kamote rin sila guys, oh. Yum. Oh, may ginger. Oh yeah, babe. Look, the packed garlic.
Oh,
I
that's
think
way
it's...
cheap.
Yeah.
You just want one ginger?
Maybe we need to grab 2.
How much of this do you need?
No, not ginger. Garlic, babe. Do you think it's cheap? $2.99?
Yeah, but we don't need 2.
Okay, just 1.
Yeah.
Pag ito talaga pipili eh. Kasi tinitignan ko pa eh. Ano yan? And then we need the pancit, guys. Dito ko bumibili ng pancit. Ayan. We can grab 1. Wala na silang bihon. Oh, ito. Just grab 1, babe. And then...
Did you want one of these big ones? While we're here?
Oh, just in case we made...
Well, we're gonna
Yeah.
make it again.
Yeah.
These big ones are nice.
And then that one, babe. Just one of that.
One?
Yeah. And we're good. Oh, I need magic sarap. Hang on.
Are you gonna make pancit for the
Thanksgiving.
for Friday too? Because I'm going
What do
to
you mean?
work Thanksgiving on Friday. They want pancit.
Oh, sure? They do?
They want
Then
pancit.
grab another one.
I told them not lumpia because it takes too much for you to wrap it.
I can make lumpia.
I can bring it. It's at night. It's in the evening. Are you working Friday?
What time is it?
It's at like 6 probably p.m.
6 p.m. Sure. I can switch to my I have to check my schedule.
Do you want another one of those?
Yeah, might as well. I need to check my schedule. I want to go though.
Yeah, it's just
Cause if I will go, I can.
admin. It's just the administrative guys.
If I will go, I can make pancit too.
Yeah.
Okay.
They wanted pancit.
I can make lumpia. Oh, meron silang Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas ba yun? Okay, let's go. Ang dami nila dito guys pag mga Filipino food talaga. Nasaan ang magic sarap? I think the magic syrup is there. I think right there.
Yeah, probably.
Because these are the seasoning.
The magic syrup.
Yes. Wala man.
It's on an end cap.
Oh, yeah. I remember. Alam na alam ng asawa ko, no? You know, babe, huh?
I think it was last
Oh, right there. See? Dito ang magic syrup. And I think we're out of liquid seasoning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
just
want a
grab
big
one,
one?
yeah. And I need because I'm gonna make pancit for your work, right?
Yeah.
I need another squid bowl.
Another what?
The fish bowl.
Ugh.
Not squid bowl, fish bowl pala. Yeah, but that tastes different, you know, with it.
Is fish bowl normal?
Not Not really, but I just want to put it because it tastes different. Do you guys don't want it?
No, people don't like fish balls.
Not all of them.
We're in America. They don't like fish balls.
No, not all of them. Okay, we're not gonna put them.
Guarantee they don't like them. I don't even really like fish balls.
I like it. I love it. Ayun kasi binibili ko. Ayan. Okay, we're not gonna put them.
They would probably prefer like a chicken base pancit.
Okay.
Like make the chicken adobo style and then throw it in there. Oh, that tastes
Yeah.
good. Oh, yummy.
Okay. Check out na kami, guys. Yun lang yung bibilin talaga namin. Yes. We're good. You're gonna make zupa, right?
We have to grab everything for it.
Yeah, before I go to work so I can eat soup. Okay, guys. Mag-check out muna kami. Tapos na kami mamili sa E-Mart, guys. Tapos, diretso na kami ng Food Lion. Saglit lang talaga kami sa E-Mart kasi kailangan ko lang bumili ng pansit. Tapos meron pala tong Thanksgiving sa work niya. Hindi ako makapunta, so sila lang kasi may pasok ako. At saka wala masyado mag-work that day, kaya hindi na lang ako magpapalipat ng schedule. So, yun. Sila lang dalawa ni Ellie. Magluluto na lang ako ng pansit para dalhin niya. Sinabi niya daw, what did you say? Just pansit because, we can't bring lumpia or what?
I said it's too long to wrap.
It's too long to wrap down.
They want lumpia though.
Oh, they do? Oh.
I told them we'll see, maybe.
Yeah. Oh no, hang on. So they like lumpia. I can try to make lumpia.
Everybody likes lumpia.
Yeah.
But no freezing.
What? No freezing it? Yeah. So maybe next time I won't freeze it no more. Oh gosh, it was a struggle. And I think it was my fault too because when I wrap it, it's really wet, you know?
Yeah,
and then I didn't layer it with the parchment paper or something because they said it would be better if I layered it with the...
It would have still frozen together anyways.
Yeah. But next time I won't put it in the Sabi nga ni Travis, dapat daw finry ko siya right after na inano ko binalot para daw kasi hindi naman masarap kasi hindi na fresh. Bless you. Ano man nagtingin si Kuya? He looked, I don't know. He looked
The guy driving the trash truck is Asian too.
Really?
Yeah. The Tesla?
I didn't see it. Ayaw niya ng Cybertruck yung Tesla.
It's a trash can. It's like a garbage can.
Mahal pa naman.
It's like a moving box.
And it's expensive.
They're pretty expensive. I mean, I think they're upwards high 80s.
Wow, my gosh.
I mean,
mayaman yung
brand new, that's nice though. Brand new, it's probably...
Kanina, nasa E-Mart kami. Hindi ko alam kung Filipina siya. I don't think she's Filipina. The one who stopped us and say hi to Ellie.
She was Asian.
Stop by. Yeah, I think she's Filipina.
I don't know what like ethnicity. Like,
that's why I keep
Asian.
saying po, maybe magano siya Tagalog kasi hindi ako nagtatagalog agad kasi there was one time na nagtagalog ako and then she's not Filipina pala.
She might have been like Chinese.
You think so?
American? Yeah. She kind of looked more Chinese.
But she looks like Filipina. So, ayun. Kaya po ako nang po kasi may mga time na kapag Asian yung kausap ko, nagpupok ako.
Kapag.
And then, that's the time na nagtatagalog na sila. Kasi minsan, mapagkakamalan mo talaga yung ibang mga lahi dito. Parang Filipino, pero they're not Filipino talaga. So, they just look Filipino. Ganon.
Alright, hang on. We're going.
Wow! Nag-off-roading. Do you miss off-roading?
I do.
Alright guys, nandito na kami sa Food Lion. Ang bibili naman namin dito is pang Zupa Toscana namin. Babe, Mike says that it doesn't pronounce like Zupa, it's Zupe.
It's not.
Really?
No.
Zupa?
I've been to Olive Garden like 50,000 times. It's always Zupa Toscana.
Really? I don't know.
I ain't never heard no one call it Zupe.
I know, right?
That doesn't
Like
even sound
Zupe
right.
Toscana.
Sound
Even
right.
his mom doesn't pronounce it Zupe because his mom is Italian and Polish. Si Mama Karen. Diba? Dito na kami guys. Ito lang talaga bibili namin. Kale, potato, onion, tapos bumili siya ng pumpkin
Let's
pie.
go to
Okay, punta tayo sa meat aisle. Right here, babe.
Where's that?
Right here. Down here. Bili kami ng sausage. And then after that... Oh, you need ano? Cream. What is that? Whipping cream.
I need heavy whipping cream.
Yes. And tapos, afternoon yun lang. Ooh, meron silang mga noodles. Wala man yung mga gusto ko noodles.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we don't have. And then, ito kasing ginagamit ni Travis. Dalawa. Ito yung dalawa. Tignan niyo si Ellie guys. Nagtambol na. Tapos na kami. Pauwi na rin kami. What is the Ellie? You got it? Wala kaming mahanap na whipped cream. Is that wafer, Ellie? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Is that wafer? Yeah. Yeah. Ginagawa niyang tambol, oh. Ha, hala. Ang galing ah. Very good ah. Galing. Pag mo lang butasin ha. Ay. Ellie. Yeah. Hi guys, muntik pa namin makalimutan yung pang banana pudding niya. Buti na lang talaga. Napagod ako. Ang bigat na ni Ellie. She's heavy now. I wonder how much she weigh now.
16. I weighed her the other day.
16?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
A full 16
pounds. So, bawi na kami guys. Nakuha na namin lahat ng mga, nabili na namin lahat ng ano namin, gagamitin. It's super busy. Kahit saan ka pumunta na store, super busy ngayon. Kasi nga, Thanksgiving dito is one of the big, like, gathering here in United States, in America, na parang big gathering for them, you know, kapag may nagsasama-sama yung family, ganun. Parang ano sa kanila? Ano man tawag sa atin? Ewan ko, basta ano nila, parang gathering sa family, gano'n. Nagdadala sila mga pagkain. Ayun. So, ayun guys, yun lang ang ating vlog for today. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa pamimili. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye guys!